Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make an animated page cover in Notion. This is a great way to add personality and visual interest to your workspace pages, making them more engaging and visually appealing. First, go to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to add the animated cover. Once you're on that page, look right above the page title and click the Add Cover button. When you click it, Notion will automatically generate a random cover image for you, but don't worry, we're going to replace it with something much more dynamic. Now that you have a cover in place, click Change Cover from the options that appear. This is where the magic happens. You have two main options here. You can either upload your own animated file directly, such as an SVG or GIF file, or you can use the URL of an image you find online. For finding animated covers, websites like Giphy.com are excellent resources, or you can use specialized sites like Notion VIP Animated Covers, which offers designs specifically tailored for Notion pages. Here's a quick tip. If you're uploading your own file, go with an animated SVG whenever possible. SVG files tend to be more lightweight and load faster, which keeps your Notion pages running smoothly without any lag. For this example, I'll be using an image URL. Once you've found the animated cover you want, copy its URL, then head back to Notion, click on the link tab in the cover options, and paste the URL into the text box. Notion will then load the animated image directly onto your page. After the image loads, you'll notice that it might not be positioned exactly how you want it. Click Reposition to adjust the placement of the cover. This feature lets you drag the cover image up or down until you find the perfect position that highlights the most important or visually appealing part of the animation. Take your time here to get it just right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply click outside the cover area to finish editing. Your animated cover is now live and will add a dynamic, professional touch to your Notion page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.